Hello Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with Never Have I Ever. As you know the rules of the game, I'll ask you a question if you have never. And with me is Candy Zulu from Kwamashu to the world. Candy is from Kwamashu but now lives in the USA in New Jersey.
Hello! I'm so excited to be in this channel. So basically, it's my first time, right?
Yes, it is your very first time. I'm breaking your virginity. First time on my channel. So right. Candy, basically I have 2 sets of cards. You choose 5, you can shuffle like you do with playing cards. You choose 5 from one pack and 5 from the other pack. And those are the questions I'm going to ask you. Because I don't want you to feel like I designed certain questions specifically for you, or for you to think that I'm attacking you. So
I'm the only one to answer the questions?
I'll answer with you. Oh, okay. We both answer the questions.
Alright.
No, you can shuffle. And you
can shuffle? Alright. Alright, I think I'm comfortable.
Okay. Give me the 5, take the 5 you want. No, don't.
I have to read it? Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5.
Let's go. So, never have I ever called someone the wrong name while doing it.
Never.
Never. And for me, that's why I call them darlings. That's why you never mess up their names. Just call all of them darling or sweethearts, then you're never gonna mess up their names.
Baby.
Yes. And in that way, you also never ever miss them. Because who are you missing? Darling, find another darling.
Yes, darling.
Okay, this one. Never have I ever swallowed his load. This girl, but apparently it has protein as long as you check that it's healthy, and apparently it also tastes.
No, it's my boyfriend.
What they eat.
Well, it's good, it's healthy, and it's part of being trustworthy and trusting somebody.
Okay.
And plus, you know, it's your kids too.
I have never, because I always think like, why should I swallow my own children?
Now I feel like a nasty. Okay.
No, you're not nasty.
Well,
I may have done worse things that you would never even think of.
Oh my god.
Never have I ever given or got oral sex. Well, you just answered. You answered.
So what?
I have as well. Oh, yeah, but because in order for you to swallow the load, you must have been practicing some sort of oral sex.
Okay,
yeah.
It makes sense, but some people don't.
I have.
Why did I actually?
Never. The questions you chose. I'm so glad you chose these
questions. It's so funny because I was like, why? I feel like I'm going to be like answering questions that are regarding like more to sex and nasty things.
I don't know. The questions you chose, they're a representation of who you are.
And I'm a freak.
The next question. Never have I ever used any household piece as a sex toy, then put it back.
Never.
I have never, but I have a story. I once found my helper using a vibrator. I won't say whose vibrator it was, rolling the dough. She thought it was a pink.
Really?
And I won't say whether we continue to serve that food or not. But it had never been used.
But have you thought about it though? I've thought about the cucumber a long time ago. Like, before I actually bought a toy, I thought of like a cucumber. I'm like,
and they say the best is the electric toothbrush because of the vibration.
No.
Okay.
That's a good thought though.
Never have I ever fooled around in my sibling's bed.
No.
No, I have never. I have never done something like that at home. Always. Never. No. And I've never lived like with my siblings in outside of home.
Yeah.
So no, I never.
I'm trying to think. Maybe somebody's house. Nah.
Okay. Next question. Never have I ever looked through someone else's phone without their permission. I have. I have.
especially if you know the password, so why not?
Never have I ever woken up in a strange place without remembering how I got there. I have.
No, I haven't.
I have.
I'm the responsible one in the group.
Sometimes it's out of fatigue. When I'm too tired and I wake up in hotels, not just because you were drunk or you passed out, but because of when I'm on the road as a comedian, I get to travel too much. Sometimes when I wake up, I have to look at the window and the curtain.
Look at the time.
I can't recognize them. I've even traveled and got into places, and when I land, I'm like, which airport am I? Where am I?
Wow.
Because of the too much traveling. Anyway, I know it's crazy, but yes, I have.
I'm responsible. I know I am. I know who I'm with. I don't know why I'm there. But yeah, but I wish one day I want to get messed up to the point where I don't even know who I am.
No.
That's the goal.
Don't.
Before I turn 30 though.
Oh yeah. Do it now.
Yeah, before I turn 30.
Now,
before I have a child, I want to do that. I want my boyfriend to just hold me here. I'm like, she's mine.
I always
She's
wanted to
mine.
get drunk to the point of crying, and it just never happens. That's what, because I envy people who get drunk and gain a different personality and start crying. I'm just the same. I'm just the
I'm
same.
2 times myself. So if I get drunk, I'm 2 times louder, I'm 2 times touchy, I'm 2 times huggy.
That's why I don't even drink much, because I think I was born drunk.
You were born drunk?
Like being in a room full of people just gets me drunk, gets me on my high. So if you see me drinking, I could drink like 2 sips of wine, you would assume that I was drunk. So I'd rather not drink.
But it's nice, I like it.
Okay, moving on. Okay, that's the previous one. Never have I ever peed myself in public as an adult. I have.
No, I'm not.
I have.
I've
No. I have.
Not.
In the rain.
In the rain?
It was raining so hard.
No, probably I have in a swimming pool.
Yes, swimming pool, rain,
in the ocean.
and it's the best feeling ever. That's why I don't like swimming in public.
I have, yeah.
Because I know what people
in
do
the pool. Yeah.
Never have I ever been trapped in an elevator. I have. Yeah.
I have, and it was so awkward. I was with this white guy, and it was so awkward. So we came into the elevator. He didn't say hi. He just looked at me, and I like, okay. And then we were there for like 10 minutes, and we were just like,
not talking, nothing.
And I was like, oh my god, please. And we started pressing the button. I was like, say something, at least say hi. And he was just looking at me. I'm like pressing and pressing and pressing, and like after 10 minutes they opened it. I'm like, thank god.
I was stuck for like over an hour.
Hour?
Yeah. It was me, 2 of my friends, and my son. Luckily, it was interesting people. We were having fun. Like, we got to know each other even more.
That's nice.
On a deeper level. But when they opened it, we were like, why? Because we had missed our flight already. Because it was at an airport.
Wow. Mine was horrible.
Yeah. But I think we just kept each other calm. But what I have learned is you have to be very, very careful with elevators, especially when you get stuck. Make sure you sit down and take the brace position like you do on flights, because my sister's friend was stuck in an elevator, and then when it started moving, it just moved from one top floor in full speed to the bottom while they were fixing it, and she broke her back. She's now in a wheelchair.
Wow.
Yeah. If she had been sitting
I
down.
learned something new today.
Yeah. So it's very important to do that.
I didn't know that.
Because she was standing, everyone else was sitting just from being exhausted, and she was tired of sitting down, so she stood up. She just stood up at the wrong moment.
Wow.
Yeah. Never have I ever been in handcuffs for any reason.
I want to.
I have.
I've never done. I have to.
From acting, I've acted iskebengu, I've acted being arrested. When I was arrested in real life, was I? No, I was never put in handcuffs in real life, but as an actor.
No, I want to be handcuffed while doing something.
I could never trust someone like that, never, because I know what I would do if I had that much control. If I had that much control, I would do it maybe just as a joke, but no, I don't play like that. I'm old school.
Really? I trust my partner, so I want to have that whole 50 Shades of Grey.
No, thank you. The only part I find sexy about 50 Shades of Grey is when he's buying stuff for her.
No, really? I want to do it.
If you want a 50 Shades of Grey, impress me, buy me stuff, give me money.
Handcuff me.
Yay. Thank you so much, Candy. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And please follow Candy on her social media accounts. And yeah, thank you. See you again next time. Peace. Bye from the US of A.
To the A. To the A.
To the S.
To the
Thank you.
To the U. To the S. To the A.